Hello everyone, I'm Louis Verselden, tracking expert at TAGGRS, and today we'll talk about Facebook event match quality. Before starting this session, I want to show you our template gallery. So when you go to TAGGRS and you log in, you can go to the template gallery left at the bottom, and you will see a template gallery for Google Tag Manager for different CMS. For example, Magento or WooCommerce. You can simply download the JSON file and import it into your GTM container. This will already make sure that you have the best possible Facebook event match quality alongside different other implementations that has been set up for you. Okay, so let's check what's on the menu. So I showed you the template gallery, the definition of Facebook event match quality. It shows how effective the customer parameters that are sent with your server-side event match to Meta accounts, and this will result in a score from 0 to 10. And we can send different parameters, for example, email, click ID, birth date, etc. And they each have a different importance, like email and Facebook click ID have the highest priority. Click ID is when someone clicks on a ad, Facebook click ID gets added to the URL, and this will be put in a cookie. And this can be sent with your conversion to Facebook. So I will show you in the events manager how this looks like. So when we go to a when we go to the events manager, we can see event match quality. It will be always the highest on the purchase event normally, because on the purchase event, we have more data available, like email address, etc. So you can see we have a 7.2 out of 10. What has been sent? Email, 50% of the events, IP address, user agent, phone number, Facebook pixel cookie, so browser ID, click ID, etc. So this is looking good. We could send more to have a high event match quality score, but if it's not available, we cannot send it, of course. There's already a video about Facebook server-side tracking on our channel, so I will just set it up server-side because normally you will set it up via web and via server and it will get deduplicated. But now in this video, just to show you the event match quality, I will just set it up server-side and show you how the parameters get sent from our GTM web container to our server container to Meta. So what we already have set up is GA4 e-commerce tracking with enhanced conversions, but I will show you how this looks like. We have previous videos about this as well. So we have a web container and a server container. I will go in preview mode of the server container and preview mode of the web container. What do we see in the web container? We have a J4 tag that fires on all e-commerce events, as you can see here. Also the Google tag with our GA4 ID property, and also server container URL. This tag will make sure that all the information will get sent to our server container, and then it will be sent to different publisher tags or J4, Google Ads, etc. So we will check how this looks like. For example, this will be a view item event. You can see on this view item event where GA4 tag ecom events has fired. It sends a hit to our server container with different data like e-commerce products. It arrives in our server container and then gets forwarded to Google Analytics, so server side. What we have already also set up is user provided data. As you can see, we have set up a UPD tag, user provided data tag, with email and phone. That was picked from the data layer. So I will show you how this works. Let's trigger a purchase. This should have triggered a purchase. Yes. As we can see, we have some data available here, like email, phone, not. So for this one, I'm only sending email now. Email. It will arrive in our server container, and we will have this email available as well. You see? So for a better event match quality score, it's best to send all the parameters, so we can um, extend it with more parameters. If it works, let me check. So we could also give first name, last name, street, city, region, country, postal. I will, for example, give first name now. Let's check if we have it. Nope. First name would be customer, that's billing, that's first name. I will not show it. I will not set it up now for all the parameters because I cannot set only up first name and leave the rest. If I do one of this one of name and address, I should set them up all, and it will be a very long process. But I will show you just for the first name how to do it. New variable first name will be customer dot billing first name. Like this. But this is not possible to save, as you can see. Well, I will set it up. It's only those four apparently. Last name. I'll copy this one. Last name. Last name. Oh, this is first name. Last name. And the other two were country and postal. Customer dot billing dot country. Voila. And then the last one is postal. Um, Postal in Dutch. Customer dot billing. What's postcode? So these ones were already set up, but the same procedure as this one, as these ones. Let's save it. We will do a purchase again. Voila. We will see again purchase sent to server container, enter a server container, and then it gets claimed by GA4, which models it into event data. And we can see that now we have uh, I thought we would have more data available now. I have to go into preview mode again. Do a purchase. Let's check where's the problem. We forgot order data. Okay, good that we spotted this. So yeah, order data dot customer dot billing. Okay, so we will change this. Didn't see that one. Order data dot like this. Yes, this will work. Do a purchase. Now we can see in our server sites preview mode, we have the event data modeled, so it's more data than before. So now we can proceed to set up a Facebook tag, which will send all data to Facebook in our server container, all events. This will be a template gallery, Facebook, and use this one, Facebook Conversion API. API access token. access token, pixel ID, and test events. Pixel ID, test ID, and we can fire this on client is J4, which is a simple trigger, custom client name equals J4. Let's take it. So now we can see that we can add a lot of parameters, event ID, etc. User data, which is needed for having a good Facebook event match quality. Custom data as well, which you can fill in however you want. But because this stack reads the GA4 incoming data, it will just model it for us and send it in the right format to Meta. So we don't have to do anything here. You can just save it, and I will show you how it looks like. So we can go in preview mode again, our server container now. Let's do a purchase. Imagine we come from a Facebook ad advertisement. Facebook click ID. You can see Facebook click ID has been put in a cookie. You can see here. And go to the shop. This will be a view item event. View item gets sent to our server container. As you can see here, enters our server container, and Facebook all events has been fired. So this request has been claimed by J4 client, and then our Facebook event stack has been fired. And what we can see in the outgoing request from the server, we can see the product information, the price, etc., but also the Facebook click ID has been sent, Facebook browser ID, also user agent, client IP. So this has been done for us all automatically. What we can see in our preview mode, for example, the view content that we just checked. So parameters, value, currency, etc. all arrived. And user data keys, click ID, browser ID, IP, and user agent, just like I showed you. So this will make sure that you have a good Facebook event match quality. Let's trigger a purchase event. Purchase. Voila. And now we will see that also, for example, last name, but hashed, first name, hashed, email, also hashed, zip code, also hashed, country, also hashed, has been sent as well. So alongside client IP, Facebook click ID, Facebook pixel, etc. The ones that were already sent. So when we check in our test environment in Facebook, we can see purchase event has entered, has arrived, and with country, email, click ID, browser ID, first name, etc. So all the parameters that we had available. And that was basically it. So I hope you have a better understanding now of the Facebook event match quality and how you can troubleshoot it yourself with the preview mode in Facebook. If you have any questions, please put it in the video below and we will be happy to answer them. Bye, see you in the next video.